So, Peugeot Boxer. If you've got this issue where you're accelerating, it's misfiring and it's popping, and almost as if the timing might be out, or there's a bad lead or a plug. Anyway, so we've spent days and days and days trying to resolve this issue. Now, it turns out that what you see in the picture, I don't need to show you anything else, is the issue. And the reason what it is if you lift up the front carpet, you've got an access panel from the front. So this is mainly on like any Peugeot Boxer petrol, this particular one. And you've got your access panel for the fuel tank. So if you take the fuel tank cap off, you will then be able to pull gently after you undo all the screws that hold the actual fuel pump system in place, pull it out, and this little pipe is a joiner, and this sits in line with the fuel that's being pulled through. Now, what we actually found out was that inside this bit of rubber pipe, it had perished inside. What it was actually doing was it was throwing the fuel back through, so where it was going in, it was actually then coming out through the sides. So it was actually sort of perished inside, and what it was doing, it was throwing the fuel back into the tank before it actually got into the fuel line to get into the engine. And I said, we spent hours and hours and hours doing this. So basically you just need a new bit of pipe and 2 new Jubilee clips, or obviously the special ones there as you see in the picture, whatever they're called, and this will resolve your problem and save you most probably hundreds or maybe thousands of pounds of headache and drama that we've had. So if you like it, give us a little like, and appreciate it. Thank you.